This is the most popular Southeast Asian dessert. In Lao, we call this namban, kalosong. To start, soak limestone paste in water for a few hours or overnight. Next, chop pandan leaves into smaller pieces so that it can blend easier in a processor. Once complete, add chopped pandan leaves into a processor with the clear portion of the limestone solution. Blend well. Once complete, strain this over a colander for its extract. Next, in a mixing bowl, combine tapioca starch, rice flour, and mung bean starch together. Whisk in well. Next, gradually add in pandan extract solution into mixing bowl, while whisking this all in together at the same time. On high heat, add palm sugar or sugar to pot or pan. Gently stir. Once it melts down and caramelizes to a golden brown color, carefully add in water, stir well. Next, add sugar and stir it until it dissolves. Next, let's make our coconut sauce. On high heat, add coconut milk, sugar, and salt. Once you bring this to a boil, lower it to medium-low and stir until dissolved. On medium-high heat, add in mixture into a pot. Be sure to whisk the mixture in well to get rid of any clumps before adding it to the pot. For the next 30 minutes, stir this gentle and gradually harder and faster towards the end as the jelly would thicken. The consistency we're looking for is a smooth, runny, silky-like texture. Once complete, run the jellies through a chendol presser over ice water. This will stop the cooking process and harden the jellies. I made a small batch, so this usually takes less longer to make. Usually if you're making a huge batch, this can take hours of stirring. To serve, in a mason jar or cup, place your desired amount of ice, jellies, and top it off with coconut milk sauce and syrup.